Okay, so if your Fortnite is not loading, there's a couple of things that you can do. The first thing would be to go to your search bar, type in Epic Games Launcher, and launch the Epic Games Launcher. Just click yes on that pop-up box that appears right here. This will now load up your Epic Games Launcher. And once your Epic Games Launcher has loaded up, you want to go to the left-hand panel here, click onto Library, and then you'll see Fortnite there. You want to hit these three dots, and you want to go to Manage. Okay, the first thing you want to do is click on Verify. This will verify the game files and fix any problems with the actual files. Here where it goes to Launch Options, you can toggle that on, and right here you can type in DX11 to run with DX11, or you can type in no splash to load up Fortnite without the load up screen. Okay, you can try those things to see if Fortnite will work, but verifying it usually fixes the problem. And then if it's still not working, you want to go and type Windows R, and then you want to type in %local app data %, and then hit search. This will take you into your app data and your local files. You now want to search for Fortnite. So there you see Fortnite game, you go to saved. Okay, once you're in the Fortnite game folder, you want to go here and click on saved. Then you want to click on to config, and then Windows client, and then game user settings. You want to right click onto this, click on show more options, then click on properties, and then where it says general, you want to make sure that that is on read only right there. So select read only, click apply, then click on OK, and then you should be good to go. But first of all, you want to hit the Windows icon, hit the power button, restart your machine, then open up Epic Games Launcher and then launch Fortnite, and your problem should be fixed. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.